Breaking news coming in. The Delhi government has warned against the use of Cold-Riff syrup. The Delhi Drugs Control Department has directed immediate withdrawal of Cold-Riff syrup and banned the sale, purchase and use, citing public health risk. Remember, Delhi becomes yet another state to ban the use of Cold-Riff. This, of course, comes after deaths that were caused due to cough syrup consumption in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Close to 14 deaths of children, and after that there's been more reports that have come forward of investigation into the Cold-Riff syrup. Now Delhi again has banned this syrup usage and sale both. My colleague Ishika joins us with more details. Ishika, take us to the latest action that's been taken in Delhi. Like many other states, now Delhi has come forward and banned the use of Cold-Riff.
Well, Aarti, as you rightly mentioned, now in fact the Delhi government has banned the sale and the use of Cold-Riff syrup. Now this after in fact Delhi took cognizance of the Madhya Pradesh government's report regarding Cold-Riff syrup in fact failing the test, and in fact that toxic chemical that we talk about, diethylene glycol, which has in fact caused the death of children in both Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, that was found there, after which this order has been issued, and in fact it has been asked that there should be an immediate withdrawal of this Cold-Riff syrup from all the chemist shops here in the national capital. Now yesterday also when we spoke to the Delhi Health Minister Dr. Pankaj Singh, he clearly said that Delhi is in fact in a precautionary mode. So all of those guidelines that are being issued by the centre and also by the other states, all of that is being taken cognizance by the Delhi government and will be effectively enforced here also in the national capital. Over to you.
Right, Ishika. And as far as the investigation is concerned, could you take us through those details as well? Have there been now batches or samples of Cold-Riff that was sold in some pharmacies seized as well?
Well, what the Delhi government health department officials have told us that after, in fact, the centre took that very crucial meeting, which with each and every state regarding the cough syrup, especially focusing on the Cold-Riff syrup, the department, in fact, had been, conducting all of these exercises, taking a stock whether these syrups are available at the Delhi market or not, at the Delhi chemist shop or not. And only after that, this order has been issued. They are saying that after this ban has been imposed today, there will be inspection that will be conducted by the department in the future. And wherever it is found that these are still being sold, there certainly the penalty will be imposed. Over to you.
Thank you, Ishika, for joining us. But before we let you go, if you could also take us through the details of what the health minister had said. You had spoken to him earlier, is what we believe. As far as the government stands, you said that they are waiting for the details of the investigation to come through before they take more action. But as of now, a sale has been banned. What more is the government saying?
Well, as you rightly mentioned, Aarti, in fact, today the government has in fact banned the sale and the use of the Cold-Riff syrup. But yesterday when we spoke to Dr. Pankaj Singh, he said that the centre's guidelines regarding these cold syrup fiasco in the country, all of that is being ensured that it is enforced effectively here in the national capital. And this today, if you look at, the order, it is Delhi taking cognizance of the Madhya Pradesh government lab's report on the Cold-Riff syrup. So the Delhi certainly health minister says is on a precautionary mode so that here, the same thing is not repeated. And all of these government lab reports which come in regarding the cold syrups from Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, where children have lost lives, all of that will be taken into account and will be enforced here in the national capital. Over to you.